Hello! In front of me I've got NOKIA T20. In this video I'll show you how to find and manage display settings. In the beginning, let's enter settings and enter display. Here we've got all settings for our display. Let's start with the top of the list, where we can change brightness level, enable or disable dark theme, night light, adaptive brightness, we can change white balance, wallpaper, screen timeout between never and 30 minutes, auto rotate screen, we can change font size, display size, also we can set screensaver, between clock, colors and photos, manage lock screen settings. For example, we can select what to show. We can enable or disable skip lock screen, add users from lock screen, we can add text on lock screen, show lockdown option, enable leave to check tablet function, and wake screen for notifications. Last thing we can change in display settings is enhance touch sensitivity. This function improves touch when using screen protectors or wearing gloves. And that's all for display settings. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.